So we're standing backstage at the Beacon and Logan Paul is coming off stage. Tens of people following him. So he went in for an interview and then Gary ran around and many people followed Gary and nobody was standing outside the door. And I knew that Logan Paul will have to come out of that door after the interview. And I'm super grateful to Logan Paul because it was after one of his videos that I pulled the trigger and bought my first NFTs, 2 CryptoPunks. At one time the door opened, he came out, and what happened then, just take a look. Logan, I'm super grateful because after one of your videos I bought my first NFT.
Oh, which one?
Was a CryptoPunks.
No,
2 CryptoPunks, to be honest.
Way back.
28th of February. You did your live video in the night, and I saw you talking about CryptoPunks, and I said, this is the way to get into NFTs. And then I bought 2 for the third one. Later on, I minted 10 apes and never sold them.
I made you rich when I get 10%.